Sometimes you need to step outside, get some air, and remind yourself of who you are and where you want to be. The older I get, the less I feel the need to be included, understood, or accepted. Our emotions make us realize how important our life is. When we give cheerfully and accept gratefully, everyone is blessed. What separates privilege from entitlement is gratitude. Always remember that your present situation is not your final destination. The best is yet to come. Be grateful for what you have and stop complaining. It bores everybody else, does you no good, and doesn't solve any problem.